This country was built by people willing to get their hands dirty. Driven doers who never quit. Always put family first and know the importance of stretching a dollar. These are the real-life heroes of Ranger Country. And this is their machine. Introducing the all-new Ranger 1000, the ultimate combination of price and performance. Built on the legacy of the legendary Ranger XP 900, this thing is a workhorse, plain and simple. It's got an all-new ProStar 1000 motor that just won't quit. All the torque you'll ever need, and a serious list of bragging rights. Industry-leading cargo capacity, class-leading towing, industry-leading storage. There's even a completely redesigned cab with thicker seats and more cup holders. And you get all that at a price that respects the value of a hard-earned dollar. The all-new Ranger 1000 and heavy-hauling 6-seat Crew 1000. Built to work side by side with the real-life heroes of Ranger Country. Polaris Ranger, driven to do more.